Yeah. Jefferson County Court, law number 2 is back in session. The court is in session and calls number M333640. Case is filed, the state of Texas versus Donovan Foxall. Now, Mr. Foxall, previously you were sworn in. Also, the court went over the judge's explanation of rights of defendants without attorney and the waiver of counsel for purposes of entering a guilty plea or proceeding in trial. I also have for you a document that is titled Standard Bond Conditions in County Court at Law number 2. Do you see that title?
Yes, sir.
And I'm going to go over this document with you. And it reads, following arrest and or accusation in County Court at Law number 2 of Jefferson County, Texas, all bail bonds executed for release of any defendant named herein are ordered subject to the following additional conditions. Number 1, the defendant shall commit no offense against this state, any other state, or of the United States. Do you understand that condition?
Yes, sir.
Condition number 2, the defendant shall submit to testing for drugs and alcohol as directed by the court, and the court may revoke the bond and order the arrest of any defendant who, A, refuses to submit to a test for drugs and alcohol when directed to do so by the court, or B, submit to a test for drugs and alcohol, and the test indicates the presence of drugs and alcohol in the defendant's body. Do you understand that condition?
Correct.
And condition number 3, the defendant shall not communicate either directly or indirectly with the alleged victim of the pending offense, and the defendant shall not go near any residence, school, or other location frequented by the alleged victim. Do you understand that condition?
Yes, sir.
Now, Mr. Foxall, condition number 4 does not apply to you because that only applies in a DWI case, and your case is not a DWI case. Mr. Foxall, if you violate any one of these bond conditions, your bond can be revoked. And if your bond is revoked, a warrant will be issued for your arrest and you'll be placed in the Jefferson County Jail. Do you understand that condition?
Correct.
Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
Now, Mr. Foxall, our court coordinator is going to reset your case. Once your case is reset, you'll be free to go. You have a blessed day. And I think the prosecutor, you have to make contact with him to make arrangements to have access to the evidence in the case. All right, please stand in front of our court coordinator. Once you get your reset, you're free to go and you have a blessed day.